You already know that you can draw anything in AutoCAD. But how will you design a project? Let's dig in 5 steps. You will design a project by creating lines for your plan and continue with organizing your drawings. You will start drawings using the necessary commands. You will make changes with crucial commands using template files. You will also learn how to edit. Then, you will finalize the project by setting up a layout. When you design a project, you want to be faster and minimize the errors. Once you learn the input for designing a project, you will use your time more efficiently and spend more time developing the project. Book a free demo class and let's explore AutoCAD together at the BackStudio platform.